Received orders given. Expect results. It's Airdrop Sniper here. Today is a must-do airdrop task. I hardly ever use the word must, but today I really want to emphasize it. Simple SNS activities can generate nearly 2,000 USD in profit in just 18 days for some people. If the method were difficult, it might be hard to approach, but just by watching the video and investing a bit of time, you really shouldn't miss out on today's opportunity. Today we will talk about the Farcaster project, a decentralized social media project that supports a large number of users with an open protocol called Warpcast. You can think of Warpcast as Twitter within Farcaster. In July 2022, it received a $30 million investment from crypto leaders like Coinbase, Multicoin Capital, and Levy Capital. Especially noteworthy is that Ethereum's creator, Vitalik, shilled for Farcaster in February, mentioning that Farcaster would not be discarded within 4 months or a year, and suggesting it has clear utility. By participating in this Farcaster task, you can receive Deegan coins through airdrops without significant expense, which I think is absolutely worth it. You can earn a tidy sum from Deegan by completing daily podcaster missions or being active on Warpcast behind Farcaster. Joining Warpcast and Farcaster incurs a cost of about $20 to $30, so keep that in mind. Prepare by transferring about $30 worth of Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet on either the Ethereum mainnet or the Optimism chain. Then, through my link, access Warpcast and enter your email. Choose Android or iOS according to your mobile device, then install the Warpcast app. When creating a Warpcast account, you pay $5 annually, which I found reasonable. Connecting your wallet is easy with the Login with Phone option in PCR Warpcast, scanning the QR code with your mobile. Setting up your profile and connecting your wallet are straightforward steps. Once you installed Warpcast, go through my Farquest link in the description. Create your Farquest account and sign in through your wallet. Now, you have to claim your handle by choosing an ID of at least 7 characters and connecting your wallet. The Ethereum network is free, but Optimism chain requires 0.002 ETH. Once you've claimed your Farquest handle, complete missions listed under Farschool, which is updated daily and allows unlimited retries. We've passed Season 3 and are now in Season 4, but it's not too late to start. Today, we explored how to potentially earn significant profits through simple activities with a small amount with the Farcaster Airdrop. If you have questions or want to share followers, feel free to join my Telegram channel for communication. Thank you for today's session. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to stay updated on upcoming airdrop snipe tutorials. Also, I've included a short guide in the video description, so be sure to check it out. Stay tuned for the next video.